It is time to buy XRP on Uphold. Click on the link below to get started to get your XRP today, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. The first thing you want to do is log into Uphold when you click on the link below, right? The next thing you want to do is grab your asset of XRP. Right now, it's down 8.75%, so it's a great time to get XRP. Not financial advice, I just want to show you how to grab it and how to purchase it. Now, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is go to the anything to anything. And by the way, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Now, look, the first thing you want to do is grab your payment method. Now, you can get it on the bank, or you can add a credit or debit card by clicking on the plus sign. If I want a credit or debit card, I just click on the plus sign and I'll add in my information. You can purchase XRP with a credit or debit card. You can do that. You also can purchase XRP with your bank account information by clicking on the plus and adding in your bank currency. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my bank account. So I'll do that. There is information here that you definitely want to read. You definitely want to read all this information. Beware, you won't be able to withdraw the external crypto wallet for 64 days. There's more information about that, but you'll be able to trade immediately and withdraw a deposit and any related profits to your bank account within 4 business days. That's good news. For faster withdrawal to external wallets, use your credit or debit card or send a wire transfer. But I'm going to use the bank account to go ahead and take advantage of this. So, bank account. Now, I'm going to go find XRP. I can type in the search bar, XRP, yeah, you know me. Yes, yes. So if I go to XRP right there, yeah, you know me. I will select XRP. Very simple. Let me start over. Now, I had XRP in my trading account, like right here. I also can get it right here that says under cryptocurrencies. But there it is. That's it. Now, the next step is how much XRP do I want to purchase? That's the next thing. Now, let's say I want to do $100 worth of XRP. That will cost 147 coins of XRP. $100 USD. It's coming from my bank account. And then right here, it says, let me zoom in a little bit, learn more about how our pricing works. You can click there and you'll learn more about what the pricing works. It breaks it down in terms of the cryptocurrency, the fiat currency, and more. So you can go ahead and read that when you click on that link below. The next step here is right here. It says 1 XRP equals 67 cents. So that 1 XRP is worth 67 cents as today of recording this video on June 21st, 2021. The next step is deposit, preview deposit. And now this is the information that we were talking about earlier about some of the terms and conditions. But what I like about this is you can trade immediately, and withdraw the deposit to your bank account within 4 business days. I do like that. I do like the fact that you can use your credit or debit card or send a wire for fast withdrawal to external crypto wallets. So it gives you some options there. And then from there, it breaks down, okay, I'm using $100 from my bank account and I'm purchasing this amount of XRP to my Uphold account. By the way, click on the link below, sign up for your Uphold account. Get started with this as well today, because I think Uphold is one of the easiest way to buy cryptocurrency and more. You can actually buy cryptocurrency and more, but it's one of the few places that you can buy XRP. Yeah, you know me. Now, the market rate, it shows you there, $1 equals 1.47 XRP. That's the market rate. And the settlement time is just 3 business days. Just 3 business days. And the next thing you want to do is confirm your deposit, and that's it. And it goes right to your account there. Now, I want to show you one more thing as well. If you were trying to sell your XRP, you just reverse everything that I just did in terms of buying it. Now, prime example, I go back to the top here and I go find my XRP. So let me see if I can look at some XRP. So if I don't have XRP actually in my trading account here, but let me Oh, hold on. You know, I think I do. Hold on. Let me take this out. I'm gonna switch this. Let me see. Okay, I don't. I don't. But let me just pretend. So let's say, let me go here. If I say I use vet, right? So let's say vet is my XRP. And so the next thing is I want to sell 50 of my XRP. I know this is VeChain, but let's say pretend this is XRP. That's 50 there. And then from there, I'll just go to my bank account. If I want to put this back into my bank account, I can go ahead and do that. So I can do this. And let me see what other national currencies. Actually can use other national currencies as well. I see there as well. That's really, really cool. So I go back, and then if I was selling 50 of this VeChain, which is, we're just using this as an actually test training area, pretending this is XRP. So 50, and I'm selling that, it will only be worth $4.12. So it shows you right there, $1 equals 12.12 VeChain, which this is what we're using in this training. If I preview withdraw, it's going to basically give me the rundown, the breakdown of the information that is about to happen. 50 vet, and I'm selling this back into my bank account. This is how much my bank will get. They sell them as 3 business days. And then right here, you enter your 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app. Now, you can use your Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator to set this up on your mobile device. It's an app you just download. Just search for Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile phone when you're in the Play Store, Android, or in the App Store, for the App Store with your iPhone. It's very simple and really easy, and you connect it together. If you need help, just click on the Get Help there. I have made a video about Google security in previous videos, but if you need to go ahead and get help, just click on Get Help to setting that up. It's really simple to do. The next thing, you want to confirm this once you get your 6-digit code generated when you set up your Google Authenticator or your Microsoft Authenticator. It's really simple. Let me just show you exactly what that looks like. This is what it looks like. It's a 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app that you need when you're using the 2-step verification on your account. So you need to set that up. Really simple and really easy to do. And you just follow the steps on those actually precautions, and then you confirm withdraw, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you buy and sell XRP or any asset that's on the actually Uphold platform. And they always adding in different type of assets each and every single time. So check that out. My name is Adam Shelton. Click on the link below. Let's buy XRP. Yeah, you know me. And I'll see you on the next video. Get your XRP on Uphold, I'm telling you, because XRP is not on a lot of exchanges, and Uphold is one of the places you can get it today. I'll see you on the next Uphold video.